Now let's solve for a and b. Okay, so we have a plus b equals 100 and ab equals to 100. So let's call a plus b equals 100 the first equation, and then ab the second equation. Okay, from here, from equation 1, you can make any of the variable the subject, then substitute it into the second equation. So from equation 1, so a or b, okay, whichever. B is the same as 100 minus a. Let's name it the third equation. So 100 minus a in equation 2. So that is b. So it will be a times b, but b is what? 100 minus a equals to 100. Okay, so we have 100 a minus a squared equals to 100. So let's arrange this. So I want to get rid of the negative, so to be a squared minus 100 a plus 100, okay, equal to 0. So let's use the almighty formula as we compare this one with the general quadratic. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have a equals 1, b equals minus 100, and c equals 100. So x equals minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac on 2a. As simple as that. Okay, so let's do the substitution. So we have x equals minus b is 100, b is minus 100, so it will be minus 100. Okay, so plus or minus b squared minus 100 squared minus 4 times a1 times c 100 on 2 times a is 1. Let's confirm. Okay, so from here my x will be 100 plus or minus, so we have 10,000. Okay, for this minus 400. Okay, on 2, so 10,000 minus 400, so my x will be 100 plus or minus 9,600. Okay, on 2. All right, x will be 100 plus or minus, so square root of 9600 will be 40 with 6 from the calculator on 2. So we have that. So we have x, so this side will be 100 plus 46 on 2, or 100 minus 46 on 2. So this side will be x1, 100 on 2 plus 40 on 2 with 6, or x2, 100 on 2 minus 40 on 2 with 6. So we have x1 50, 26, and then x2 will be 50, okay, 26. Now let's go back. All right. All right, so we use x for a, so that is for a. So a is x. Okay, so my a here, my a here is 50 plus 20 with x, or 50 minus 20, 6. So we have a plus b equals to 100. Okay, so let's use equation 1. A plus b is equal to 100. So my b will be 100 minus a. So a1 will be 100 minus, so we have 50 plus 26, or 50 minus 20. So let's look at, so let me make it plus or minus. So b 100 minus 50, okay, and this side will be minus or plus 26. So b will be 50 minus or plus 26. Okay, now it means that from here, if a is 50 plus 20 with 6, b will be 50 minus 20 with 6. So if a is 50 plus 20 with 6, b will be 50 20 with 6. So we have this solution. And if a is 50 minus 20 with 6, b will be 50 plus 20 with 6 as the answer. All right. Okay, so that's that. All right, thanks for watching.